So hey guys, Dave here from Waldor, and we're just taking a quick minute here to invite you to our special event that's going to be next weekend, September 15th and 16th, here at our shop in Linwood, New Jersey. We're real excited to be bringing in two fantastic growers for a weekend here at our shop. We've got Ben Oliveris from Orchid Eros in Mountain View. That's where he is, Mountain View, Hawaii. So Ben has never been here before in a sales capacity, so we're real excited to bring him in. Ben has really some of the finest Cattleya breeding that you'll find anywhere. Selling plants that a lot of things that he's developed on his own, so you won't find things like this anywhere else. So really great to have Ben coming, so we're excited about that. And then of course we have Jim and Loris Rose coming from Cal Orchid. It's been about 4 years since they've been here on the East Coast, and we're really looking forward to having them in. You know, if you've shopped there before, you know the quality of plants they bring. Both of these vendors will be bringing a lot of their own product. This is stuff exclusive to their nurseries, so real excited for that. But Jim and Lars will bring, you know, their Cattleya things. They're going to probably have some African species. You know, they've got just really great quality products. So we're excited to do this. We're trying to bring in some new people and some people we haven't seen for a while, because that's what really orchid growing is all about. It gets us all excited, gets us interested in our plants again and all that sort of thing. So we're really hoping you can come visit us, enjoy a weekend here at our shop in Linwood, New Jersey, and that's September 15th and 16th, and we're hoping to see you here. So if you can make it, please come on. If not, keep an eye out. We will probably be posting a few things, a little bit of content and stuff in regards to the show. So really excited to do it, and really hoping to see as many of you guys here as we can. So see you soon.